Welcome back to AS online class. Today we are learning about the yan word. Yan for nose. Yan for nose. Yan for 9. Yan for net. Yan for nest. Yan for nail. Yan for neck. Yan for knots. Yan for necklace. Yan for notebook. Yan for napkin. Yan for number. Yan for newspaper. Yan for notice. Yan for near. Yan for news. Yan for night. Yan for necktie. Yan for nature. Thank you for watching.